What's up, guys? Welcome back for another one. Today we're going to swap out our bags, and we're doing this mainly because my Road King Special now has a 2-in-1 pipe by Fuel Moto, and these notches for the dual exhausts that come on the stretch bags just didn't look right for me. So this was something I was always planning on doing, and you know, there are a lot of options out there to do it. You can buy another pair of Harley Davidson bags, whether new or used. You can go full carbon fiber with companies like Hofmann, DTF, Carbon Visionary, or you can go with a company like this, Nasty Hog. So if you've seen one of my previous videos, I bought a pair of FXR side covers by Nasty Hogs from my Road King, and I was impressed. I was impressed with the color. I was impressed with the quality of the piece, even though it was apparently ABS plastic. That was okay for what they are. I thought it was a great value and made the bike look even better. So I decided to go back to the well again and let's see how good their saddlebags are. So their saddlebags, when you order them, you don't get anything. You get the lid, and you get the bag. That's it. And clearly, I think one of the first things you can tell right away is that these bags are not only plastic compared to the fiberglass, but they're a little thinner. So there is a little more give to them than what you experience on these Harley hard bags. Now I will say, because it's ABS plastic, it's also extremely light. So what I'll do, I'll weigh the Harley bag that I have here off the bike. All the hardware is on there, but there's nothing in the bag. And then when we move all the hardware over, we'll weigh the Nasty Hogs bag. But there's more. So I'm not going to be using the lids from the Nasty Hog kit. What I'm going to be using is these beautiful carbon fiber lids from, who else? Hofmann Designs. So when you order these lids, the only thing you do get is a gasket. And I didn't even know I was getting that, to be honest with you, because it arrived days later. But they sent a pair of gaskets, and that was great. Even though after I got the bags, I ordered gaskets anyway because I needed them. But anyway, if you order these lids, the gaskets are coming. So let's get the stretched Harley Davidson bag on the scale I have here. We'll get a weight. I'll move all the hardware over, show you guys how to do that, and then we'll weigh it again. I know a lot of you guys are interested in saving weight, this, that, and the other. Performance baggers, I'm right there with you. Let's get into it. All right, I know this is a little bit of a close-up, but between this LCD and the lights I have in here, I think it's going to be hard to read it from the video itself. So I'm going to put the bag on top and try to hold it in place, but it looks like, I don't know, I would say right around 12 pounds. So let's circle back. I'll show you how to remove all the hardware. It's not that hard, and then we'll put it back on the scale. Alright, so the good part about it is that all of these screws come out with a T15 Hex. So if you got one of these, that's all you really need, with the exception of things like these rubber grommets, and there's these rubber strips that go underneath the bag, so when it sits on the bag rail, I guess the rubber's a little more secure, but less vibration, stuff like that. So everything else, this is all you need. So I'm just gonna take these apart real quick. Now some of these screws are different sizes, so do group them together, because you'll have some with different kind of threads depending on whether it's screwing into metal or plastic. Like you'll see this is a really thin thread itself. All right, so we've got the entire bag together. Not too bad. The hardest parts were probably the little rubber grommets on the inside, and then the two on the bottom. Let's weigh it real quick and see what the weight difference is. So a little over 9 pounds, so I would say about a 3-pound difference. And I think that's pretty good. So if you're looking for weight savings, this does fit the bill. If I had any gripe about it whatsoever, some of the holes, and this was only on this one bag, were not finished. They weren't completely drilled in, so I had to push a screw through it or a little drill bit like you saw in the video and just clear out the hole. But other than that, looks like it fits pretty good, pretty light. Let's go put it on the bike. All right, so here you have it. Hofmann Designs carbon fiber lids, Nasty Hogs, standard saddlebag lowers. I think it looks really good. I put my number on the side there. You guys can see. Just a sticker I designed myself and had printed. And yeah, so far the bags look good. We'll see how they hold up, and the lids are beautiful. Show you guys inside. I wish there was more light so you could really see the contrast of the carbon fiber with the black and the sunlight, but there you go. Nice, beautiful setup. Super happy with it. Alright guys, well, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. It certainly helps us out. Certainly helps us bring you guys more content on a weekly basis. It's what we love to do. And we're glad you take the time out of your day to watch our videos. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you on the next one.